Here, 1,000 miles from the sea, are dolphins. Rain is the lifeblood of every jungle, and all have to do their best to endure the daily downpour. This is a mysterious world, a place few people have ever explored. We have much to discover about the animals for which this is home, including some you might never expect to find amongst trees. Here, 1,000 miles from the sea, are dolphins. A newly identified species of river dolphin found nowhere else on Earth. In these black, tangled waters, they have become almost